Hi friends, here we bring you a recipe where you can use your chapatis in a whole new different way and also make use of your leftover chapatis. So let's start making this recipe. Ingredients required for roti noodles are roti, red cabbage, all 3 bell peppers, olive oil, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, red chilli sauce, green chillies, pepper, celery and salt. I have taken 5 fresh rotis. You all can even use your leftover rotis. Just roll like around 2 or 3 rotis at a time, and then with the help of a scissors just cut thin strips. You all can even do it with a knife on a chopping board. Whatever is feasible for you all can do. And similarly do with the rest of the rotis. I have cut the remaining rotis. Now just you can open this. Along with that, we are just going to drizzle some oil. I am using olive oil out here and some salt. And now this is done. Now we will move on to the next step. First, we'll start by adding 1.5 tablespoon olive oil. Do it on a high flame. Once the oil is heated, we are going to add half tablespoon celery leaves. That we are going to add 2 teaspoon green chillies, 2 tablespoon thinly chopped cabbage, and 2 tablespoon thinly chopped red cabbage. Then 1 tablespoon thinly chopped bell peppers. We are just going to saute the vegetables for 2 minutes. We want the crunch in that. Half tablespoon ketchup, half tablespoon red chilli sauce, half tablespoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper. Then we will add our roti. I am going to add little soya sauce and ketchup. And our roti noodles is ready. Our chapati noodles are ready. I hope you like this recipe. For more such innovative dishes, don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.